Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Valrine here, coming to you from my living room. Now, let me take the time out to say happy Thanksgiving to all my subscribers and friends in America. You guys have yourself a wonderful day and stay safe. Okay, now you're looking at the curtains in my living room, and there are just three things I want to share with you that may help you in your window treatments pursuit. Okay, anyways, what I want to do is split it up in three parts because I don't like making very long videos. So the first thing I want to share with you in part one of this video is dressing your drapes. Who knew that dressing your drapes was a thing? But yeah, dressing your drapes is actually a thing. And this is how you dress your drapes. You basically just get your pleats, all your pleats together, and depending on the length of your drapery, you will have tied it in two, three, four, five different parts. Now, dressing your draperies is actually helpful because it helps to get those pleats in order. So when you pull your draperies and they don't have these ties on them, the pleats will actually form pretty nicely. Now I dressed this one just for a little bit. It needs a little more dressing just so the pleats can be more uniform. But yeah, dressing your draperies is a thing. Just try it and see how it helps to form the pleats on your draperies. Okay, so in the next video, I'll share the next tip. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please hit the notification button so you can be notified of new videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. And I always like to hear your feedback. Okay, so until next time, you take care now.